Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. So for those of y'all who have a lot of hair fall issues, hair growth issues, today I'm going to be sharing with y'all a very effective and easy to make shampoo. So you don't need to buy expensive shampoos from outside. You can very easily make this at home. Very simple and easy to make even for beginners. So we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making of this rosemary shampoo. Now I have taken my herbal water here. Rosemary is my main ingredient in this, main herb in this. Along with this, I have taken a blend of other herbs as well, like amla. I have taken a little bit of bringraj. I have taken little green tea. So there are a couple of herbs that have been added to this, which will be mentioned in the description box. And you can add this to your water, give it a boil, strain it, and use the herbal water. Now in this I'm going to go ahead and add my surfactant. Now I'm going to add cocamidopropyl betaine in this, which is an excellent surfactant to cleanse your scalp, to clean your hair thoroughly, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Now in this, just for giving you a very good softness and shine to the hair, we are going to be adding a little bit of oil in this. For this I have used almond oil. Now you can go ahead and use any other oil of your choice. We'll go ahead and mix all this together, and then we'll go ahead and add our gelling agent. Now here I have made my gel slurry and kept ready. You can use any cellulose gum, or you can also use xanthan gum clear or gore gum to go ahead and make this slurry. So I'll add this into our mixture here so that we get a good viscosity and thickness to our shampoo. This is very easy to make, so beginners can easily make this. In this I'm adding my preservative, and we'll go ahead and give this a good mix. Okay, so now after mixing this shampoo, I have just kept it aside for around 10 minutes. So this has cleared off well all the froth which was on top, and this is going to thicken completely only after 24 hours. It has already started thickening because of the gelling agent that has been added, but the actual thickness, the complete thickness, you will get after 24 hours only. So now I will go ahead and fill this in my bottle. Okay, so I filled the shampoo in the bottle. I'm covering this and keeping it. So you need to keep this for 24 hours till this doesn't completely thicken, and only after that you will start using it for best results. So if you like what I share with y'all, if y'all want me to share more such videos with y'all, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And for those of y'all who would like to learn more commercial products, more commercially made shampoos, y'all can definitely connect with me for our workshops. Thank you so much everyone.